Alrighty, so I have gotten another package, and man, am I excited about this one. Now, let's open it, and you already know from the title, so let's just see what's inside. I got my trusty old knife. And based off all the wrapping you see, you can obviously tell that it's another Samsung device. Man, this packaging is just insane. Well, at least it keeps it protected. What is this? Oh my goodness. We're finally done. Now this is the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. Now we're gonna open it and we're gonna try to peel these infamous seals. Oh man, it's just gonna break off like they always do. Yep. Come on, Samsung. Samsung needs to invest in some better packaging. Okay, so here we go. Got that off. Oh my goodness. Man, it feels so nice. Okay, let's open this thing. Wow. Look at that anti-reflective coating. That is nice. Man. Got ourselves the S Pen, and I was missing that on my Tab S8 because I originally had a Tab S8, so I'm glad to finally have one again. Let's see what else is in the box. So, obviously we're probably going to have a cord, which I would guess is in here. Yeah, nice. Oh, it's a white cord. They switch between black and white cords all the time. Okay, nice. And then we got probably the terms and conditions and the little popper outy thingy. Yeah, nice. And yeah, that's it. That's all you get. And the thing is, with such an expensive tablet, you couldn't just leave it like that. You had to protect it. So I got a case, and here's this. I think it's a very well-made case. And made by Finite, I think is how you say it. Fintie. Fintie? Yeah, maybe that's how you say it. So here it is in the case, and yeah, it seems very well built, actually. Very, very professional, and it hides the S Pen right here, so that's nice. Now the thing is, I haven't even tried powering this thing on yet, so let's hope that works. So let's try powering it on. Okay, that's good. Nice. And I didn't just stop there. I also got some screen protectors. That way, I don't hurt the screen. Sadly, that's going to mess with the anti-reflective coating, but I think it's worth it. I don't want to hurt this thing. Yeah, I've been absolutely loving this tablet. Super smooth. It loads things up like instantly, and all the connection between like my phone and the tablet itself, like for example right here where it shows my Samsung device, my phone is connected to this tablet. It's just so cool because then I could just pick up, answer phone calls on this tablet, answer text messages on this tablet, and they're just connected, and it all feels so seamless. It's Very nice, especially Quickshare. Quickshare helps me a lot with my like application development and all things like that. Also, to be honest, I really thought Galaxy AI was just, a gimmick pretty much, but it's actually been a lot of fun messing around with it. Summarizing, being able to draw things and turn it into stuff. It's really fun. It's like a party trick, but also at the same time, it can help with your everyday life, like being able to summarize text and being able to create images for slideshows and things like that. It's very cool. If you want a full form review, just let me know in the comments. So, thanks for watching this unboxing video. Have a great day. Goodbye.